Another art gon' drop, shit is about time. I'ma up mine. Macho man, cause he wanna be a tough guy. Two in the fuck nigga face. Run down broad down.
We got them boys pulling in. Yes, sir. BRZ. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on, guys? Overtime King Vlogs back into another video, man. Didn't make the intro at home. So we made the Charlotte, made Lambo Charlotte and the Jenny right here. But today we have got another Exotics and Espresso event. Clean, clean. We got LT1 right here. I was gonna park in this lot besides Jenny, but this Z was here. And of course this Cube parked in the way too, of course. But you know, we got a brother right here, as y'all can see, man. This guy was in the last Exotics and Espresso video. Sir, boy, clean. Damn, I almost forgot this was gonna be here. First Pagani I seen. Yes, sir. Shit clean. Alright, let me go see my boys real quick. Got Technica. A Technica. TLR cars in the flesh. TLR cars in the flesh. Time, bro. What's up?
Fucking chipmunk driving your car.
Yeah.
Go direct to traffic.
Got all the SVJs.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's like it gets louder every time, bro. Look at Lewis' reaction, bro. Okay, bro. Yes, sir.
You're right, it gets louder every time.
I know. Been needing to hear this, bro. Oh shit, I might get run over. Hold up. Oh shit. Get them twin turbos, bro. Please rev it, I swear to God. It's got to
Look in the back, look in the back, look in the back.
Yes, sir. Boy, I got the meaty boys. I got the slicks. Oh my.
What's up with?
Oof, yeah, what's going on over here? Goddamn, boy. Got a whole fleet out today. Send that, send that, send that. What the fuck are these rims, boy? On the 4Gs, bro.
Oh my God. That's the
I got Honey Mustard Spec, GT3. I'm gonna go through here real quick. Drop top R8. Hella AMG GTSs, or GTRs, GT somethings. Nice wrap. Another Honey Mustard Spec. Let's see, Porsches. This thing, I don't even know what this is, bro. Might be some Lotus race car. Hold on. Nice. One seat, Carl. 720S. Rift exhaust, cheese exhaust, tips, man. Titanium, the Rift, yes, sir. Another GT3 behind the GT3. From this dude scooting everywhere. Golf blue. Nice plate, head on you. We got AMG GTR and another Poodle Scooter Lotus. Portofino. I really don't be seeing these, man. I keep forgetting these cars are a thing. Then we got the Speedster. Nice 720S. Volcano orange, I'm guessing. Slick ass color, man. F8. This F8 actually has a good exhaust, bro. I remember hearing this from someone else's videos. Nice rims. I see Jenny back there. Nice. Jesus, man. It's always the non-supercars cutting up. 720. It's not my boy Mark 720, but you know, close enough. Got Aston Martin. MC20, wow, nice. Never see these. It's this guy, I remember this guy. Picnic table wing. Just them turbos, bro. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go over here to see this Pagani real quick. Nice blue guard, though. Look at this guy. Another Rift exhaust, Huracan. Evo, SVJ. Got Pagani, I couldn't take a picture of, sadly. Dog. Sure, man. Carbon fiber everywhere, bro. This thing's amazing. Sure, bro. This thing is sick. So bag, yes, sir. Look at these exhausts, bro. Crazy, like a bazooka exhaust. You're right. This thing is packed, bro. It's like more people every time. Oh, snap. Shit, bro. That cutoff is crazy. Let's influence, guys. Let's go. Ooh, the Mopop boys, some thugs.
Bro, what is this buffoonery? My man is ready to drop the clutch.
For real. Okay, thank you. At least he stops. Okay, what is this dude about to do? That's nothing.
Was it really worth all of that?
Hell no.
Look. Okay.
Track car.
Oh, pop.
The Mopas.
Oh my God. Is that Sean?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
What's blood looking like that?
That's just like.
He pulling a DB Zach, bro.
There we go.
He fit that motherfucker clean.
Brother, yo, so close. Josh,
Yes, bro.
what the fuck?
Yeah, what?
Oh my God.
That's my reaction, folks.
Turbo S about to go.
Ew, it sounds terrible. This mo.
That's Brayden Inga.
Brandon who?
Whoa. Whoa. Let me set my rebel to idle. Hold on.
Fucking hell. Damn, that shit nasty, boy. But it's finna flip. That shit's too loud, bro.
Do a rollback. Oh, you gotta lay.
My boy waiting to hit this.
My boy been on them trails.
We've been off-roading. LK!
Oh yeah.
LK!
Come on, Edgar.
That shit quiet, bro. Send it, man. Holy shit. That boy came out of nowhere. He ran the light clear as day. Give it to my cow.
Do a rollback. I like your muscle.
Oh shit. Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Oh, hey.
What you want, boy? Hey, what you want? Hey, what you want? Hey, boy. What?
Oh shit.
Go home.
Bro came back with a new exhaust. It sounds louder. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit, what the fuck? Holy hell, Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit. But that's crazy. Watch it. Mopaz. Sell the car. Oh, goddamn. Goddamn, motherfucker. Oh, that's not what I was hearing. Fucking hell, that shit loud. Out of all cars, it's the car I have cutting up, bro. Out of all cars. Out of all people.
You need an LSD.
It's crash with a freshman migration.
Y'all acting like we didn't do that.
Just for him to go the other way, bro. They got a whole show, bro.
Oh, hail Plankton.
I assume brother's going the other way. Where you going, brother? Cut? Jesus. Send it, send it. Bruh.
Are you serious?
God damn. Christ, bro. Jesus. I think he did last time. Holy shit, that sounds good, bro. Send it. My boy dead ass got in the way. You rep it.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, that's a Jenny. I knew he's my brother. Hey, that's a brother. These motherfuckers in the road. What up? Oh, W guys, W guys.
What are you doing?
W guys, yes sir.
Oh my God.
It's a hurricane. Oh shit, holy fuck.
What does it look like? Damn.
Oh shit. Ah, shift, brother.
Oh, is that the one?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, thank you. Yes. Yes, sir. Nice. We lit. Rev it, rev it. Love you. Yeah. Bless you, brother. You see, you better shoot flame. Oh, he's shooting flame.
Yo, get off the road, bro. Yo! Get the fuck out the road! That's my boy,
So, it's quiet. He's not gonna send it either. See, look, what is he doing? They're like, wait.
It sounds like
That is sick. Never mind.
What is that right
I'm dead, bro.
That's a female.
What the hell? Oh, that's a Technica. The Technica. Dude. I mean, you fucking hurt. Ooh. Send it. Oh. We're getting active. Why is blood in the road, bro? Damn, the motherfucker's going crazy. Ooh, Vince is back. Ooh. God damn. Send that thing, bro. What's helmet at? Send it. Wait, what the hell? Where's the passenger? Where's his dad at? Holy shit, what the fuck? This shit loud as hell. Wait, what? Ah, show me where to go. Whoa, he's cooking, yes. Holy shit, man. I love it.
I'm so glad you came today, bro.
Ain't that Brian? Shit. Yeah, Brian about to leave. Damn it. Ooh, and I beat you. Oh, shit. My fucking hat. God damn it. Someone's phone fell. Someone's fucking phone fell, bro. Ah, fuck. Shit.
Give him room.
Let me get all the way back here real quick, though. I need an angle. Damn, bro, get out the way. Where do people come from, bro? Yeah, let me get back a little bit. Yes, sir. Cut up, let's go! Jesus Christ. One more time, rev it, please. Sir. Jesus.
Look at the drone, bro. You get Emmanuel, you get the drone footage.
I don't know who came back. I don't know who. Bro, Jesus. Jenny. house is a 5.0, bro. No way, I'll just wait here for that. Goddamn old heads, bro. Sir. Oh yeah, definitely finna hit it, bro. That's a black. The Mopop boys. The Mopop boys. Literally. Them thugs. You better cut up. I don't know what to do. Might as well do it in the meantime. Come on, front wheel drive cars. Oh, hell no. Get this motherfucker back. Ooh. Yes.
It's a cat. That motherfucker.
Hey, go, dude. Go.
Bro, if I do a cartwheel, bro. Oh, Lord. Oh,
No way,
oh, Lord. Oh, the Mustang's back. It's so stupid.
Oh, that Mustang is back.
Yeah, he is back.
Back for the round.
Oh, shit. Holy hell. That can't be good. He doesn't like it. Mustangs will be Mustangs.
See you later. Your car's over here.
Yes, sir. Wrap it up, wrap it up. I'm already in the back. On my leg. Feels good.